Hey everyone, it is Vince here. Welcome back to another weekly upload. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about the cryptocurrency earning apps made by developers called Bling. Now, if you don't know, you can actually earn cryptocurrency at home on your mobile phone right now. I've already covered one app from the Bling developers called Bitcoin Blast, and that app did actually pay us out, which was great. But in today's video, my plan is to expand your knowledge in the world of earning cryptocurrency via mobile phone apps. And thanks to the Bling developers actually being a legitimate company, they actually allow us to earn cryptocurrency while playing their apps. So to start off with, I'm going to talk about an app I already mentioned once on my channel called Bitcoin Blast. This is just a very generic, simple match 3 type of app, everyone. You're going to find that most of the apps developed by Bling are very straightforward apps just to make you really watch video ads in exchange for cryptocurrency. It's a pretty straightforward process. It's almost like they have to put the game element there to make sure that there's some sort of return for them giving you cryptocurrency, because each level on Bitcoin Blast and any app that has been made by Bling, you have to watch video ads to access the next level. So without a proper internet connection, you're not going to be earning anything with these apps. Just an FYI. You cannot turn off your Wi-Fi, and if you use a VPN, they will ban you, okay? So you have to be legit when you do this. But Bitcoin Blast is a very generic, simple app, and it does pay, everyone. The next app I want to let you all know about is Bitcoin Blocks. This is yet another simple game where all you do is literally match the same color blocks next to each other. I kid you not. Obviously, the further you get into this game, and the same with all the other games made by Bling, the harder the levels get, and I swear they rigged them on purpose so you have to keep on repeating the same level multiple times. And if you're wondering how these apps actually pay you guys, it's through Coinbase. And if you don't know what Coinbase is, essentially it's a cryptocurrency wallet / exchange system, if I'm correct. So this is probably not going to be what most of you guys are used to. Most of you guys are just used to Visa debit card payments or being paid through PayPal or something like that. But in this case, all the payments have to go to a Coinbase account. So I recommend you all join up with Coinbase if you're going to play anything from Bling, because it will ask you what is the email address you use for Coinbase, okay? Next, we're going to move on to Bitcoin Pop. Another very straightforward app where all you do is literally match the colors of the balls together. That is it, everyone. These apps are really bare bones basics, as I keep on stressing in this video. Like, you're going to laugh about how easy these apps are to actually play. Another really cool feature that I've seen from Bling is that all their payment system is combined. And because Bling limits how much you can play a game per day by, I think, 15 levels if I'm correct, or 15 tries. Once you finish up on one app, you can then hop over to the second app, which is such an awesome system. I really appreciate that they made it so you can actually hop between all 5 of their apps, and it carries over your earnings into each account, which is freaking great. It's almost like having a cryptocurrency bank account, seriously. If you didn't know, you actually get paid by the app in Bling points. Then Bling themselves, the developers, will convert into Bitcoin currency for you on their side. So each of these levels I found I was getting around 1200 to 1100 Bling points, okay? But depending on which app you're actually playing, it does vary, so keep that in mind. Later in this video, I'm going to tell you how many Bling points I actually worked up within 1 week, and how much Bitcoin I got in return. The next app I want to tell you all about is an app called Bitcoin Food Fight. This is another app where you throw objects at a target in the middle of the screen, usually like a big donut or a pizza or something. But either way, it's one of those apps where you cannot hit the object that you threw twice. Think of it as like a throwing knife app. Again, this all runs on the same Bling currency system, so exact same concept as the other apps. And last but not least, there's another app called Bitcoin Solitaire. If you guys like Solitaire, then Bitcoin Solitaire is going to be an app that you don't really want to miss out on, okay? Me, myself, I don't really like Solitaire. I really don't think it's that fun. That's just me personally, okay? But when there's cryptocurrency at stake and when we can earn money, I will play Solitaire. Going into this, you have to expect not to earn too much cryptocurrency, everyone. You got to remember, these are just free apps. And you guys all know how many scam and scummy apps are out there on the marketplace trying to rip you off every single day. But it's nice to know that developers at Bling actually care about you guys enough to pay you in cryptocurrency. So to sum it up, we have 5 cryptocurrency earning apps here, all under the same umbrella company called Bling Financial. From what I can see, most of these apps are available on both Android and iOS, so everyone can actually play. Now, for the bit I'm sure you've all been waiting for, I converted 120,000 Bling points into cryptocurrency. I got paid fairly fast within the same day, so you can't really complain too much with that. And what I got was about 20 cents worth of cryptocurrency. That is right, everyone. A full week of grinding up the app to get to 120,000 Bling points, and I only got about 20 cents worth of crypto. So as I said, if you come into this with that misconception that you're going to be rich off these crypto apps, you're going to be sadly mistaken. These apps just seem to be for pure entertainment purposes, with the added bonus of giving you some cryptocurrency, so then you can walk around and tell everyone you're a Bitcoin investor or you're a cryptocurrency investor, okay? But my job here is to show you legitimate apps that pay, and these Bitcoin earning apps and any app from Bling seems to be 100% legitimate, so you can absolutely respect that. Alright ladies and gentlemen, this is the part of the video where I'd like to talk to you all about other apps that I'm currently using to make money. So, on last week's video, we covered Attribution. I'd just like to say I am still using Attribution to this day. I've currently grinded up to $9.34 that I can cash out right now. If you guys didn't actually know, on Attribution, essentially all you do is complete surveys for real life money. And it has an instant payout, and the minimum payout is $5. My job as a content creator is to make sure that you guys understand that scam apps out there do exist, but there are some legit apps that actually will pay you, okay? And the problem is some people just don't understand that money is money, and people need money desperately in countries where $5 might actually be a lot of money. I do have a referral code for Attribution as well. It is on the screen right now. If you guys install Attribution and enter that code, you'll get $1 straight off the bat, and then all you need is $4 more to cash out. Simple as that. Last week's poll results are in, by the way, for the poll of should the developers of fake money apps face jail time. A resounding 905 votes were actually tallied, and the results are in for 75% of the votes believe that the scammers should go to jail, with 21% of them saying no, just force them to pay their own debts, with 4% saying not sure. So at the end of the day, 75% of the 905 votes believe that they should go to jail, everyone. It seems like you have all had enough of these scammers once and for all. Now, on another side note, ladies and gentlemen, I have just released my first game on the Play Store called Money Tapper. This app is completely free to play. It has its own little shop system here where you can hire helpers to help you collect all the gold and destroy the evil beasts that walk across the screen. As you can see, there's one right there. Hopefully one day I can build my own money making app and actually pay you guys out. That is the end goal. But for now, I'm just going to keep on testing my coding knowledge. Once you get to the last helper, then that's pretty much the end of the game at that point, because it's only meant to be a small game for testing. Really hope you can download it, give it a shot. Links in the description below, everyone, and probably the comment section as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll be back in the next couple of days, guys, probably 3 or 4 days as I try and find some more apps. Please check out my second channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Stay safe out there, and please be sure to leave me a comment telling me what money-making apps you are playing these days. Catch you around, everyone.